na sinabi na baka malamang ay cancer, then ibabiopsy. Okay?
Sige
Okay
po.
na.
Next time,
Okay.
Dok, ikaw pa rin po ba mag-check? Meron pa bang clinic, Doc, dito sa Maynila?
Nasa Amerika ako ngayon.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, biro
Kasi
lang.
satisfied
Hindi,
kasi ako Doc sa mga explanation niyo po.
hindi, biro lang. Andito ako sa Pilipinas.
May clinic ka po ba, Doc?
Kasi puntahan mo na lang ako. Kasi importante yung ano, no? Libre na lang kita. Puntahan mo na ako sa Maria Doctors. Okay.
Doc, saan po po naman yung Doctor's Doc?
Oo. At ano mo na lang ako, i-Viber mo na lang ako, kaya Facebook mo ako, Messenger mo ako.
Salamat, Doc. Thank you, Lord,
Oh,
talaga.
i-identify mo lang sarili mo, ha? Baka singilin kitang mahal. Okay.
Mabait ka, Doc, eh.
Okay. So for my group, you just write down yung notes there, no? Um, for ultrasound na lang. Just for the ultrasound, no? Okay.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Para we can let her go na, no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So ano pang tanong mo? Will you be able to do the recording, or you call in a residence? Can you call in a resident?
Pwede ba mahingi ng ano nito?
Hello? Hello?
Yan. Paano malaman?
Yung Maddox po, nasa may UN.
Paano malaman yun? Paano ko siya mahingi?
Sabi niya
Bigay
po,
na lang po
Facebook.
yung, or bigay na lang po namin
Viber
yung number si Doc para ma-text niyo po siya.
Sige, sama po namin yung library.
Can you
Kasi,
call in a resident? Instruction ko na para we can
Ay,
facilitate her.
okay.
Please.
Ay, bring.
Call in a resident first, but then we'll continue on discussions.
Doc, salamat po, Doc.
You're welcome.
Hanapin po kita.
Sige, walang problema yan.
Salamat.
Pero pa-ultrasound ka muna, ha?
Sige, sige. Viber na.
Oo, oo. Wala po na. Ay,
Okay. I-facilitate mo na lang, ano, tapos na yung discussion namin. So the
Apo, sir.
diagnosis here is MCAG, no?
Apo.
And
Yes, sir.
then pa-ultrasound mo na lang, no?
Okay.
Okay? And then
Yes,
back
boss, sir.
to come back to you for the results, no?
Yes, boss, sir. Thank you
Okay.
po, sir. Thank you
Sige.
po.
Okay na. Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sige pa.
Doktora, thank you so
Ito
much.
po yung number. Ito po yung number ni picture niya. Ito po. Ayan. Okay na po.
Doc, salamat po.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sige.
Thank you po.
Okay. Oh, kayo naman. Okay. Stay put.
Sige pa. May kababayan.
Picturean ko kayo ulit. Mamiss ko kayo.
Sige, ma'am, isama natin.
Dok, mahal ka daw, Dok. Magpipicture daw sila.
Okay.
Ma'am, di ba
Eh,
sama po
kasama
natin?
kayo. Paano yung kasama?
Ayan.
Ay, makikita po kayo, ma'am, kung pipicture niyo po kami kasi may camera dito.
Okay na yan. Selfie. Ay, sige. Ganyan.
Opo.
Ito wala.
Okay po.
Doc, ang bait niyo po. Salamat.
Okay. Sige.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So let's have some final discussions here. Ending. So, okay. Any questions first? Naghang?
Hindi po.
Naghang?
Hindi ko magalaw.
Video niya lang.
Ayaw po.
But we can still hear you.
Okay.
Ayan,
So,
na-big Doc.
any questions or feedback na lang? Sige.
Ayun po, Doc, siguro, paano niyo po siya
Can you go nearer? I cannot,
paano niyo po siya ina-apply? Ini-setting po na kailan parang gipit po sa oras. Ganun po.
pag,
Wala si Doc.
ulit.
Hello po, sir.
Okay. I can hear you now. Hello.
Hello po.
Okay.
Yung question ko po is, paano nyo po na-apply yung algorithm nyo po in cases po na maraming pasyente o kaya gipit na po sa oras?
Yung algorithm na yun is actually, matatapos mo yung within 15 minutes. No, if you just, humaba tayo kasi I have to discuss things with you. Okay? But for the patient, I'll go direct to the point. No? Ganon. So, usually within 15-20 minutes, tapos na yan. No? Okay. With good explanation. No? So, based, tawag doon, when you discuss when you make the medical recording, I usually make a medical recording, no? My notes, with a patient in front of me. Then as I write, parang ine-explain ko na sa kanya, no? Sabay na. Okay? So that I can also, I don't like to use mga electronic medical recordings, no? I would use yung mga paper and then I can make some illustrations, no? As medical recording, ang hirap mag-drawing, di ba? Okay. And then also, I have a carbon copy palagi, no? I usually give the carbon copy to the patient, no? I don't know of any doctor in the Philippines who do the same, no? Okay. So usually mga doctors in their clinic, they make notes, but they keep the notes to themselves. No? I usually put a carbon paper, no? Kasi I'm not fan of the EMS, electronic medical recording. Medyo very taxing sa akin yun, no? So I write the note, and then at the end, let's say diagnosis, I usually put a diagnosis palagi. A lot of doctors, they don't put the diagnosis, no? And then plan of treatment, ganun, ganon. Then at the bottom of the page, I let them sign sort of a informed consent. If there's some options that we have to decide upon, no, ganon, kung ito yung gusto niya, ito, pirma siya, no? Or we have agreed on this thing, then pirma siya. That's an informed consent, no? Okay. So that saves me the trouble also kung let's say, kasi in medicine, there's no such thing as 100% sure in anything, na walang guarantee, na okay. So if you recommend something, no, something went wrong, no, and then if he see another doctor, sabihin isang doctor who has a mindset na, bakit yan ang ginawa? Bakit yan ginawa? Na, okay. So you might be blamed, baka mapasama ka pa, na, okay. So, but the moment there's, let's say, unhappy na pasyente with the outcome, no, you can always look at the records. Kayo, we discussed this, you sign it, you consented to that. Na? Okay. So wala nang problema. Na? Okay. So remember, in medicine, there's so many ways of doing things. No? Some are rational, some are irrational. Some are yung tinatawag na minimalist approach, yung kailangan lang. The others are the so-called maximalist approach. Usually, maraming gagawin kahit na hindi kailangan. No? Okay. Yung iba naman, they just follow the trend kung anong fad, kung anong uso ng, let's say, uso ang CT scan kagad, di ba? Ganon. Okay? Baka pwede pa yung chest x-ray, ganon, ganon, no? Okay? So, kanya-kanyang diskarte yan no? So, to play safe, no, I usually ask the patient, there's a record, I ask them to sign it, no? Then give a copy, the carbon copy to the patient, no? He can read it, he or she can read it at home kung gusto niya maintindihan yung explanation ko, no? Or I always tell them also keep that copy as a permanent record, no? So when they go to see, and if I'm dead already, I'm not available, they can use that records, no? To let the other doctors see it, di ba? Or when they come back to me, kung minsan nawawala yung records ng secretary ko, they still have a records, no? For me to, to review, no? So usually matatapos within 15, ano, okay. So pag, exception na lang yung mahabang-mahaba. Kung mahabang-mahaba, well, we cannot do anything kung talagang mahirap yung kaso, no? Okay. And then yung, there are some patients who talagang matanong, no? They will ask a lot of things, yun din hahaba, no? Okay. Okay. So I assure you that framework can be done within kahit na yung for ano, it's not sa hindi mo isa-sacrifice yung quality of your interaction with your patients, no? Okay. And you can finish it within 15-20 minutes, no? Okay. Any more questions? Follow-up questions?
Wala na po.
Okay na po.
Okay. So nasagot niyo yung olete ko?
Yes po. Yes po.
Yes.
Any feedback?
Feel ko yung feedback namin, Doc, is when we take the history and the PE, parang it takes so much time. So, ang dami nga namin tanong.
Ulitin na.
Isa ulit.
Ay,
Isa please.
sa Olete. Well, nasabi naman sa parang dulong part, Doc, ng Olete na parang maraming tanong, tapos paulit-ulit. Pero na-explain din doon na parang it's made like that para may parang
Effective learning.
Yeah. And I agree. Kasi nung
Okay.
na-mention yung feedback ulit now, yung parang prevalence, tapos parang yung pattern recognition, parang we already know, kahit just by taking the quiz and watching the lecture.
Okay. So yung olete is designed in such way it's for mastery of learning. Okay. That's why it's called online learning cum evaluation. Then may test exercise. Parang sa Kumon, 'di ba? Paulit-ulit, 'di ba? Until you master something, no? So
Yes.
that's a different approach, no? Okay. So because I don't just like to test somebody, yung mga kaya ako I hate those tests na ginagawa natin sa schools no? Chamba-chamba ang answer and then you don't know the correct answer, the wrong answer, di ba? Okay. So I design it that way. I want to shorten it, kaya lang ang hirap i-shorten. I will be sacrificing yung mastery, no? Okay. Okay. So any other comment on the Olete as well as today's session?
Yield and productive.
Ah,
High yield and productive, Doc.
high yield. Bakit high yield?
Siguro what I noticed rin po is yung effect ng consultation to the patient. Kasi like in our time during doing history and PE sa mga patients po, parang first time po namin makita ng patient na ganun na touch po. And na parang ganun po kasaya after the consultation. And parang it shows po na important yung process to ensure na the patient is well informed, the patient is reassured, and the patient feels listened to, and that they are parang ayun po, parang partners po in their health.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I was able to achieve that by illustrating that to you. No? Okay. Okay. Thank you for that feedback. Any more? Yung mga hindi pa nagsasalita. Angela, ikaw ba? Angela?
Same realizations din po, sir. Kasi especially kanina nung paalis na po yung patient, she kept asking how to contact you and if kahit nung nawawala po kayo sa Zoom, tinatanong niya kung kayo po yung magiging doctor niya on the next follow-up. So parang in that short amount of time through the framework, you were already able to establish good rapport with the patient. And parang it shows na she trusts you as her physician. So parang it starts with that po talaga.
Okay. Thank you. At least na-appreciate niya. Okay. Any more? Nana? Yung na okay. Yung nakatayo na babae. Anything? I like to anything that you want to tell me?
Ah, pare-pareho lang naman po yung insight. Um, yun po. Ah, I think it
Special
was very
mention.
effective po. Yung using the process kasi parang very valuable to the patient na naintindihan nila yung parang what ano ay,
Illustration. The fact na
ayun po. Parang pati po yung ano, yung pag-drawing po, very valuable to the patient na may parang keepsake sila of what they understood of the consultation po.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Drawing, importante yung writing, drawing, no? Okay. A lot of patients are complaining doctors do not explain, no? Things to them, no? So, dapat in-explain. Pagkatapos, pagtatanong yung mga pasyente, ilag sa mga doctors, baka magalit ho sa amin kung nagtatanong kami. Okay. Anyway, okay. So I hope I have shown you a framework which you can use for all types of patients, not only in surgery, huh? Not because I'm in surgery. You can use it for all types of patients. No? Okay. The process is generic. No? It can be used for all types of cases, all types of diseases, all types of patients. No? Okay? So ito lang hindi ko magamit-gamit up to I have to master this. I
You
got
wanna
yung writing pad, electronic. I have to master this. I got this when, during the pandemic, nagamit ko ito. Pero up to now, hindi ko pa na-master. Okay. Anyway, okay, let's call it a day. Let's have a group picture taking.
Okay. Group picture, guys. Okay, smile, everyone.
Dali, sandali. May lighting aking mata eh.
Yan, okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So,
Ito na lang din po yung photo natin sa Viber.
okay.